Alright. New day. It's the next day. Y'all to witness my fuck ups of yesterday. So it's a guy, he bringing me cold racks right now. I didn't have my fucking cold racks yesterday. So he bringing me cold racks right now. I don't know if y'all can see all the way down there, but he's actually coming down right now. I appreciate him, man. I appreciate him. See, come on the Maverick, man. Y'all need to come on the Maverick so y'all can have, you know, a family like this that's gonna help you out and bring you some cold racks, bring you whatever you need when you fucked up the, you know, couple days prior and shit like that. You know, and we're a whole big family around here, man. Come to Maverick, man. I don't want to get no type of commission off you, nothing like that. Just come on to Maverick, man. It'd be worth it. It'd be worth it, man. Now we're gonna wait on the coil racks because what comes out the friction mass is actually the fucking coil racks. So yeah, that's him right there, man. Yeah. He got the mirror eye on that thing. I call them eagle wings, man. The eagle wings. You know? No rap. What's up, man? Life.
I hear you. Is there a way to turn this big bad boy around? Without having to get myself in the world of hurt?
Shit, I don't know if you can go down there and like make like a loop or something like that. What I say is position yourself where you can back up here and just go back out. That's all I see.
I didn't think about asking him that at all.
Yeah, it may be a way that you can get down there.
I'm gonna pull it up on the map
and see if it's something down there.
Sucker around without getting myself in trouble.
Yeah. Let me help you out, man. So where you on your way from?
I'm taking this to Granite City, Illinois. I was hoping I'd get the yard of mesh and do a 34 reset to take my last week, finish out my last week and stuff.
Yeah, right.
But that ain't gonna happen. I'll just have to run on recaps, which is fine. I do that all the time on my last week anyway.
Yeah. So you, I was about to ask you, you're not USA here?
No, I am USA.
You are?
I've never been here. This is my first time
here. Yeah. And you've only been out 4 months, you say?
Yep.
Yeah. This is literally my second month. So you know I got a whole bunch of fuck ups ahead of me, huh?
Would they not give you the equipment or something like that?
Nah, so I had my equipment, but what I did was I put my coil racks inside of my trailer to it just makes me more efficient. But I don't know if I may have to find another way to, you know, be efficient, because I damn sure had my coil racks in my trailer and I switched trailers.
Next time you run short or something like that, stop at a yard and grab the equipment. Eh?
Well, yeah, but I ended up, I didn't know I left my shit. So when I got here, I was just like, man, where are the coil racks? I didn't have them, so it was too late, man.
It's like me, with those two lumber tarps I was supposed to have in there, and not this trailer, the trailer before. It fucked me up. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna have to run with one and jerry-rig something up. Now, this load, I got 5 palletized pulls, so I didn't need any coil racks at all.
For sure.
And it was my ran one steel tarp, and then this is my lumber tarp. Because my steel tarp literally covered all the way up to this first one here, so I just ran my lumber tarp over the top of this just to cover it.
For sure. Hell yeah. How do you like that mirror eye?
I hate it.
You hate it?
Yeah, it's only for certain things.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only good for certain things, and other than I don't care the fucking less at all about it. You better go grab those matches quick.
Oh yeah, because they about to go bye-bye, huh? Damn, this wind. I sure appreciate you, man. I really do. I really do appreciate you and shit.
Not a problem at all.
So what they gonna do about cause I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna keep your damn coil rack. So what they gonna do about you getting coil racks?
Where I'm dropping this off, literally the yard is our medicine yard in Illinois. It's literally 5 miles away.
Oh, okay.
I'm supposed to pick up the pull there, so what I'll do is I'll stop by the medicine yard, because I ain't gotta have this dropped off at 10 in the morning.
Oh, okay. So it'll be easy for you to go and get some.
And get the pull racks I need and stuff, and then run over there and drop this off.
if you don't need anything from me, I think that's all I needed from you. So I mean, I guess we can go ahead and figure out how you gonna turn around, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, y'all. You know, guy cool as hell, you know. It's a bunch, we all this way, you know what I'm saying? We all this way, it's a family. You can almost call it a cult. Like we do what we gotta do for each other, man. You know, Maverick is a great company to work for. You know what I'm saying?
Looking on the map down here, looks like I can turn it around, but I don't want to fuck something up.
Get stuck. Alright, man, I'm gonna build these cradles.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, man.
Alright, man. Well, if you don't need anything else, I'm gonna get out of here and get it rolling down the road.
Alright, man. Yeah, this is literally all I needed from you, and like I said, I appreciate you, man. Alright, you be safe. Fuck up turned into a motherfucking what? A family reunion. Cause I got to see one of my fellow truckers. I never met him before.